guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to those of you who are my online friends. You guys, you are amazing. Thank you so much for your support. You always support me and I'm truly grateful for you guys. And I want to say hi to you guys who are new to Mel's World. You're welcome. Right, let's get straight onto it because I don't want to do a long video, okay? In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the DIY I've been using to give me maximum hydration and moisture. Let me tell you, look, my hair, it's been noticeable to me that my hair has grown. I know, I trimmed my hair last week. I trimmed my hair last week, so it would be shorter. But the thing looks so much bigger. My hair could not have grown this much. My hair has been growing like crazy. I mean, come on. Can you see the shine? And this is day 7. I need to wash my hair and it still looks shiny. I mean, what is going on? I'm so in love. It's definitely something to do with some of these DIYs that I've been doing recently, which I've been specifically tackling for moisturising, blocking DHT, great for hair loss and hydration and moisture. Now I've put together a DIY that has been giving me maximum moisture. I can't share it with you guys. And for this one, I decided that I was going to do this challenge on my own behind you. Yes, I didn't want to tell you because I wanted to see again to see if this is really worth me telling you about. I got so much moisture. Challenges, I lose some of you along the way. Some of you just wait for me to do the results, you know. Let me give you some background, okay? I'm going to story you. Remember, I'm 48 years old and I'm in my premenopausal stage. And I've been recently having
lots of hair fall. I'm lacking estrogen. I'm lacking nutrients. My hormones are going all over the place.
Sorry, I digress. But let me just tell you, it's also been tackling hair fall, conditioning of my scalp, tackling dandruff, which I don't have, but you know, is going to make sure it doesn't make me have it. It's giving me oodles of nutrients and lots of hydration and moisture, which I've grown to find out if I hydrate my hair and moisturize it properly, I'm going to get maximum hair growth. This is a really simple DIY. I mean, you can swap some of these ingredients out if you want to, but trust me, girlfriends, you got to try it for yourself. So if you want to see what DIY I've been using for the last week and a half, or is it 2 weeks? Put the fufu down, okay? And come and sit and watch this. You will learn something, okay? Okay, so I'm back in my home office because I couldn't be bothered to go to a Marry Me office. So in a moment, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I've been applying it to my hair, so you get a better idea of it. So I'm recording now. Can you shut up, please? Anyway, as I was saying, okay, so for this DIY, I only decided to use 3 ingredients. These are 3 key ingredients to help me with this particular season. We are in the autumn season. I don't care what you say. Listen, if you see the sun, it is fake sun. It's not real, okay? The season has changed, so we have to change our routine. So one of the first things I use is aloe vera. Come on, you know this already, eh? Do I have to go through this again? Okay, for the person who doesn't know, I will do it. There are tons of great benefits for aloe vera, but these are just to name a few. So aloe vera is the king, in my opinion, of moisture. Now aloe vera is that green plant that has those prickly little bits on the outer parts of the leaf. It is from the cactus family, and aloe vera is considered to be a healing plant. Now, not only is aloe vera antibacterial, but antiviral as well. It has the ability to give great benefits, not only to your body, but to your hair and your skin. So it's great for ingesting it as well as using it topically. Now, I usually take a shot of 60 mils of aloe vera juice, be it the fresh one that I make myself, or a shop bought one. Aloe vera has incredible benefits. There's so many to mention, and it's also really rich in vitamin C and E. Now there are so many studies that have proven that aloe vera is so effective at keeping your hair extremely hydrated and very well moistured. Did you know there are 2 different things, eh? Did you? Now another fantastic thing about aloe vera is that it has enzymes in it that continues to repair dead skin cells. That is amazing as well, because aloe vera has the ability to speed up any healing process. Now, with the risk of losing you here, aloe vera has the ability to give you shine, it gives definition, it gives condition to your hair, and wait for it, It promotes hair growth because of its moisturising and deep hydrating ability. And let me know down in the comments down below if you are a regular aloe vera chick. I need to know, because we got a gun on the gang. If you're not, I want to encourage you to get on the aloe vera gang. So another ingredient that I've placed in this DIY that I believe has been huge for this recent boost of hair growth, is rosemary. Do not sleep on the rosemary. I'm telling you, don't sleep on this rosemary. Don't do it, okay? And rosemary is fantastic for stimulating hair growth. We all know that. That's a one-liner. After rosemary, that should be their tagline, you know what I'm saying? I have a full video about rosemary. I'm gonna link up here because I ain't gonna bore you again. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to put in, you are no stranger to it, okay, was vegetable glycerin. Now, let me tell you, sister, I was in two minds of whether to put in honey or vegetable glycerin. So if you've never used vegetable glycerin before, you might be wondering, what is that, Mel? Vegetable glycerin is this colourless, odourless, water-soluble liquid, which is a substance that tends to absorb moisture or water from its surroundings and limits it to its evaporation. So basically it has the ability to draw it to your hair. I love it. Vegetable glycerin also has lots of slip. It makes your hair very shiny, and this humectant locks in the moisture, thus helping the hydration of your hair. Again, you'd think it's the same thing. Moisture and hydration, they are two different things, okay? Now, using vegetable glycerin will help moisturize and strengthen the hair from within. I don't mean you have to take it as in within here, eat it. I mean within the hair shaft, okay? Oh, before I leave, I'm going to be washing my hair. So I'm going to be washing my hair, I must say, I'm going to use a highly intense moisture shampoo. I will leave it here. You can see in the details in the description bar below. I'm using this shampoo because it really helps my hair to be hydrated. It gives me maximum moisture. It's super nourishing. And even if I don't condition my hair after using this shampoo, my hair always is very, very moisturized. So it really helps me when I'm styling my hair after. If you have not used this shampoo, it is my product, by the way. And those who are viewing, in the comment section below, if you've used this shampoo, just let them know how good it is, okay? I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair with silk conditioner. I'm going to be using this one. It really helps my hair clump together and it keeps the moisture locked in. These products are amazing. All right, guys, I'm just going to wash my hair and I shall be back, okay? Okay, then I'm back. My hair's washed and it's deep conditioned. I've got no product in my hair. It's got rosemary in. It's power packed with rosemary silk conditioner. So my scalp gets a real good tingle and I can feel it even still now in my scalp. Look at the moisture that is left on my hair. My hands still feel silky from silk conditioner. I've only got water on my hair. It really, really nourishes my hair strands. I love this conditioner. Teamed with the shampoo, gives me a pH balance, gives me moisture, hydration, stimulates hair growth, and it nourishes my hair as well. And I've been consistent about using these particular shampoo and conditioner in conjunction together along with this DIY. So there you go. There's got no product in my hair, can you just see? Look at that. I mean, it just looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Okay, so that is my hair, freshly washed, deep conditioned and ready to go. So here is the DIY. The rosemary is further infusing in this DIY. Love that. Because the spray bottle would not be able to handle the vegetable glycerin as well, I've had to just apply it on my hair in 2 stages because it will just get clogged up. It ain't gonna do it. So I'm doing this in 2 parts in the application on my hair. Right, this is what I've been doing. Okay, right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a middle part in. I'm gonna do half of this. So I've basically been doing my hair in a protective style. It doesn't last for long because I've got fine strands and it always finds a way to kind of get messy really quickly, like really quick. So my hair's been detangled already. So the first thing I do is I just spray the hair. Let's just put a towel on, give it a shake. And then I just grab this section, I squirt it into my roots or my scalp. already I can just feel the slip. Hey, so good. Let me just show you. Look at that. And it helps clump my hair together as well. And then I just coat it. Really get in there. So this is what I've been doing for the last week or so. 2 weeks. I can't even remember. So that's nicely clumped together and that's what we want. So I've kneaded that in my hair. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little bit of the vegetable glycerin. That's a lot, that ain't a little bit. So I use about this much. And all I'm going to do is from the ends to the top. You see that? That's all I do. That's all I'm doing. Brush that a little bit, make sure all my hair's just gliding through that. Look at that. That's nice. So all I'm going to do is just flat twist it. Try not to do it too tight. I'm not the best at flat twisting, but it works for me. That's all I'm saying. I'm just going to make sure all the strands are lying flat. Oh, look at that. Love it when the Demon brush does that. So I've been using the rubber bands on the ends, and what I do is I double up my ends so it looks like a loop, and then I put the bands on the ends. That's really protecting my ends. Like so, like that. And that is what I do. There we go. There's 2 there, 1 there, and 1 here. Those nice juicy, juicy twists. And then we'll do the same on the other side. I will come back when I'm done. Okay, so here we have it. My hair is completely done. Let me just show you, okay? You can't see it like this with this chair. Here you go. Can you see the moisture? Can you see the gloss? That is drying like that. Oh yes, of course, I had to put hair ties here and here because your girl's hair does, my hair does not stay in this style. It just doesn't. You can see that here. Look, it starts to unravel. So to maintain this look, so I did this twice a week, and my hair doesn't really stay in its style. Like tomorrow there'll be all frizzy bits hanging up here. So what I've been doing is at night I just clip them up like this with a bobby pin, pop on my satin bonnet and take them down in the morning. So in the morning what I've been doing is taking the mixture from the fridge, because I sprayed it again and just on top of here lightly, and then I leave it. And yeah, this is how I've been rocking it. Just a couple of days of the week. So sometimes I've been wearing it like this just to completely tuck it away. It actually only lasts me about 2 days, 3 at a stretch, and then my hair's up in a bun. But that's it, that's all I've been doing. All right guys, I'm going now. I know I mentioned before that we were going to be doing a September hair growth challenge, but we are not going to. We're going to start again in October. You know, we are just not putting the pressure on. There'll be a new hair growth challenge. So anyway guys, I will see you again in my next video, okay? Don't forget to like this video. It really helps my channel, guys, and share it, because I'm sure there's somebody who is shedding lots of hair, who needs hydration, who has something wrong with their scalp. Not scalp, I mean scalp. Oh, I need to go. Okay, I'm going now. Okay, enough is enough. I'm going now, guys. I will see you again in my next video. Hoping to upload again very soon this week. You take care. God bless you. Bye.